More news coming in. Delhi police suspended both officers. One ASI and one constable have been suspended. Police say an FIR is being registered to tell our viewers that this has got to do with the hit and run case. Inspector level officer and constable have been suspended. Medical examination to be conducted. With the Delhi police vehicle mowing down a man who died as the Delhi PCR van rammed into him, shocking death near the RK Ashram metro station. Delhi police is probing the death in the crash. Victim is yet to be identified, is what we know. अरविंद ओझा has got more details on the story. अरविंद, इस समय जो इसमें विक्टिम है उसकी आइडेंटिटी के बारे में भी हमें पता नहीं है. क्या एक्शन लिया जा रहा है, ये हादसा कैसे हुआ, इसकी डिटेल्स बताएं.
देखिए, इस मामले में दो जो पुलिसकर्मी है दिल्ली पुलिस की पीसीआर वैन में जो तैनात थे उनको सस्पेंड कर दिया गया है. एक एएसआई और एक कांस्टेबल वो पीसीआर वैन में सवार थे जब ये पूरा हादसा हुआ. विक्टिम की पहचान कर ली गई है. वो उत्तर प्रदेश के गोंडा का रहने वाला है. दिल्ली पुलिस का कहना है कि इस मामले में जो दोनों आरोपी पुलिसकर्मी हैं उनका मेडिकल एग्जामिनेशन कराया जाएगा, जिससे ये पुष्टि की जा सके कि उन्होंने एक्सीडेंट के वक्त अल्कोहल कंज्यूम किया था या नहीं किया था. लेकिन सुबह 5 बजे के वक्त ये हादसा हुआ जब पीसीआर वैन ने दिल्ली पुलिस की एक शख्स को कुचल दिया और स्पॉट पे उसकी डेथ हो गई. दिल्ली पुलिस के सोर्सेज का कहना है कि एक्सीलेटर गलती से दब गया था, इस वजह से हादसा हुआ. हालांकि दिल्ली पुलिस का कहना है कि एफआईआर दर्ज होगी, फॉरेंसिक टीम क्राइम सीन का इंस्पेक्शन करेगी, तभी पूरी जानकारी मिल पाएगी कि आखिर ये पूरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ कैसे.
This is a horrific story we're reporting on. The policeman running amok climbs pavement and mows down a man. Cops probe the driver's lapse, which is now being looked into. Amit Bhardwaj is also getting in more details on that story. Amit, इस समय इस विक्टिम की आइडेंटिटी नहीं एस्टैब्लिश की गई है, लेकिन ड्राइवर का ये क्या कहना है कि जो एक्सेलरेटर है उसे ज़्यादा समय के लिए दबाया गया है और इस वजह से जो गाड़ी से वो गाड़ी has gone completely out of control or out of hand is what the driver now Amit seems to be suggesting here. Talk to us on whether there is a drunken driving angle to this as well.
Well, Sneha, let us bring the visuals from the ground as well. I'm standing right at the spot where that accident happened. So this is a bylane in the RK Ashram Marg area, and the tire marks can be seen in that particular bylane as well. And the distance that has been covered by the PCR van was not much. It's barely 20-30 meters away. And this is the spot where you had the Ganga Ram Tiwari, the deceased tea vendor who has been selling, running his stall out here for the past decade, and the blood spots are still visible on that particular tea stall area, showing as to how cruel, brutal that accident was, because there was no time left for the authorities to respond and to take care of this situation, because he died on the very spot. Now, what the locals and more so the eyewitness are telling me is that the police personnel who were in that PCR van were in intoxicated state. They are claiming that they have gotten several bottles, but this is subject to investigation, Sneha. This is what the locals and the eyewitness are claiming. The police will obviously go by the facts. They will carry out a thorough investigation, and obviously the individuals who were inside that PCR van, their medical report will be also done to notice whether there was any trace of alcohol in their body, liquor in their body or not, and whether it was case of the Delhi police official losing control of the vehicle, or the case as being claimed by the eyewitness out here. So this is subject to investigation, but yes, he was from UP's Gonda district. His son I have also met, Shiv Tiwari. He said that when he rushed here, he tried to click pictures of those involved. However, he was stopped by the police personnel, and there was an altercation that happened as well right after the accident happened. So the locals.
Okay, in fact, these are visuals on our screens, Amit Bhardwaj, of that very moment when that accident had taken place. As you can see, there's utter chaos. The man was run over by a Delhi police vehicle, as you can see in these pictures. The locals getting extremely upset and angry as well. Cops ran over a man in Delhi, now has been suspended. The drunken driving angle also being probed. Right here, a pedestrian fatally struck by a Delhi police PCR van. This in the Thana Mandir Marg area. The driver of the van accidentally accelerated, causing the vehicle to mount a ramp and hit the individual. A tea vendor, I understand, was killed after being hit by this. The incident occurred when the PCR van's driver accidentally pressed the accelerator, causing the vehicle to lose control. Pictures from the very moment when this accident took place. Amit, it is being said that the van suddenly veered towards the side of the road, crashing into the tea vendor's stall there, who was fatally killed in that horrific accident. Amit. Amit, this is a shocking story. The locals are also talking about the fact that the driver was drunk. Talk to us about what is now being said. What are you picking from your sources?
Well, Sneha, you know, this is subject to investigation now, but certainly the distance that has been covered by the PCR ramp is not much. This is the ramp that takes you to the path, if you want to say. Each to particular street, you have this spot where Ganga Ram Tiwari used to run his tea stall for the past decade. So, which means that the car was in, full force, extreme acceleration when this accident had happened. Otherwise, this kind of fatality would not have happened. You know, Ganga Ram Tiwari died on the spot, very spot, after a vehicle hit him, which has covered the distance of barely 30 or 40 meters, so to say. And he died on the spot. So this certainly means that the car was moving at a big speed, full acceleration, when Mr. Tiwari, who was possibly in his sleep, he died on the spot. So the Delhi police will have to come out with a version on whether their officers were drunk or not, because that is a question and claim that is being constantly made by the eyewitness. Number two, whether similar charges will be pressed against them as in the case of BMW accident in the national capital. Number three, Mr. Tiwari belonged to a very economically weak financial background. He has a family to take care of, and I spoke to his son, Shiv Tiwari. He said that I don't have resources to take my father's dead body back to UP, back to Gonda, where the final rites are being done. So that is also a bigger question at this point in time as to what kind of assistance is going to be provided to the family. In
Absolutely. At
fact,
the end of the day, this is a poor man who's been killed. It's very tragic. In fact, I'm being joined by former DGP Vikram Singh as well. Thank you for your time. This is a horrific story, sir. We are reporting on what is your take on what could have possibly happened here. At the end of the day, it's a Delhi police van that has killed a person, and the situation continues to be very tense. This is a poor man who's been killed by a Delhi policeman. It's being speculated right now, matter of investigation, whether the driver was drunk or not.
Good morning, Shreya. Whether the drivers were drunk or not drunk is a different matter and a subject matter of investigation. But the careless indifference of the criminal act, that goes without saying, and I do hope suspension has happened, but that is too little, coming a little late. I would expect the police commissioner to order an inquiry, take further action in respect of what really happened, reconstruct the scene of crime in the next 24 hours. Any delay would be counterproductive and impact negatively the prestige and the credibility of the Delhi police. Now, the fact is whether he was drunk or not drunk can always be ascertained by the medical legal expert, but it's rash and negligent driving, and then also to run over, do not do what is expected of you to do, and then it is just not acceptable at all. Ordinary citizens will do it. As somebody was saying, the BMW case, the police officers donning a uniform in the PCR are supposed to be the guardians of the public. They cannot be the predators. In this case, they have changed the uniform, their ranks, and I do hope that drastic and deterrent action is taken against them, even if it means throwing them out of their job.
I'm going to leave it that for the moment. Vikram Singh there with his perspective on the important story, telling us about how this is now going to obviously put the Delhi police under the scanner, and there has to be justice in this case. At the end of the day, it's a police van that has crushed a man to death. We have a reaction also coming in. Let's take a listen.
क्या कुछ हुआ? आप घटनास्थल पे थे उस वक्त या आपको बाद में पता चला?
सर मैं हो गई थे, उसके बाद मैं 10 मिनट बाद पहुंचा हूँ यहाँ। सर से बता रहे थे कि मतलब पुलिस वाले की गाड़ी में सर तो पहली बात दारू थी, दोनों नशे में धुत थे और एक साथ में लड़की थी। और यहाँ लड़की रोज लाते हैं सर, गलत काम का होता है बस। उनसे कुछ बोलो तो सर रिवाल्वर निकाल के कनपटी पे रख देते हैं।
उस वक्त घटना के बाद क्या हुआ वो बताइए।
घटना के बाद सर यही हुआ कि मतलब वहाँ से गाड़ी स्पीड में चढ़ाए हैं, एक बैल लगा के ऊपर पापा के हमारे ऊपर चढ़ गई गाड़ी। न सरकार पता है न किसी चीज का। एक था लड़का जो सर उसने दारू की बोतल निकाल रहा था गाड़ी से, तो उसने बोला ये तुम क्या कर रहे हो? तो बोला नहीं दारू की बोतल दिखानी है सर। उसके रिवाइवल निकाल के कनपनी में रखे थे।
आपसे पुलिस ने क्या कहा?
आपसे सर कोई बात ही नहीं सुने। फिर उसके बाद जो चढ़ाए थे सर यहाँ लाके बैठा दिए। उनसे ना बात करने दिए, ना उनका फोटो लेने दिए, कुछ भी नहीं। फिर उनको यहाँ से गाड़ी में बैठा के नकाब पहना के सर यहाँ से लेके गए।